Let's start with melted butter. Add in the sugars and a nice large egg. A couple teaspoons of vanilla, and mix it all up. Next, we're mixing our dry ingredients, flour, baking soda, and just a little bit of salt. Stir those so that they're blended, and then gradually add in the dry mixture to the wet mixture. Mix it all up so that it's well blended. Such an easy recipe. Now we're going to measure out the chocolate chips. So many chocolate chips. And just stir them in. Make sure the chips are really well blended into your cookie batter. Don't want to waste any of that goodness. And I like to get in there with my super clean hands. Just mix it up a little better. Now we can cover it up or put the cookie dough in the freezer for when you're ready to bake a second batch. So let's put all that lovely cookie dough onto the cookie sheet and get ready to bake a batch in the oven. Next, we're going to try the air fryer. I've never done this before, but I'm going to give it a try. So let's have a coffee and try these cookies. So this one is the air fryer cookie, and it got really golden on top, and the underneath a little undercooked. So maybe instead of 350, 325 might be better, but I'm going to try it. Really crunchy, loads of chocolate. Oh, that's so good. This is our store-bought cookie. This is the oven-baked cookie. So they're a little bigger. They bake longer in the oven. Really good. This is just the best recipe. It's absolutely loaded with chocolate chips. So I hope you try this and see what you think. You know, is it the air fryer or the traditional way of baking your cookies in the oven? But either way, they're really good with a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching with us today. I really appreciate you and the time that you've spent watching this video. If you'd like to see more, please feel free to subscribe, hit the like button, and make sure you... I have a little friend here. And you'll get a free guide. Our ultimate dessert shortcut guide is in the description for you. Thanks. Right, Ruby?